Don't be scared of Microsoft Excel. Excel is a powerful tool in the hands of those that know how to use it. Gain a solid understanding through our Excel course. People who know how to use it are given the ability to rapidly calculate thousands of formulas in seconds. So big deal. How will this help you? Well, it'll save you time, increase productivity, which will allow you to do other things that you enjoy, whether it be spending time with your family or your hobbies. You'll be able to create good-looking and logical tables that recalculate when you change inputs, create a personal budget or work budget. Turn Excel into your personal assistant by making the computer do repetitive tasks that would bore you to death. These are known as macros. Identify trends in your business and your personal life to make correct decisions. They say data is power, so empower yourself. Have an advantage over your colleagues and create dynamic reports by mastering one of the most popular tools, pivot tables. Learn the common functions of Excel and impress your boss by using dynamic formulas with names like VLOOKUP, index, match, if functions, and many, many more. With power comes responsibility. Use it wisely and enroll in Boti's course today.